Hello friends. I bought something off Amazon. I needed a new multimeter for doing electronics projects. My old one was really old and the contacts actually, they were soldered to it. It was a really cheap one and they came off. And they did that several times, so I needed to buy a new one. So I bought the HoldPeak 90 series digital multimeter. And I bought the HP-90BS. BS does not mean what you think. It means solar. This one's solar charged. So let's open it up. This camera has autofocus, so it's probably going to keep trying to refocus. I'll try and move slowly so it keeps focus on it. So the first thing you'll notice, I guess, it comes in a slick little holder. That's pretty cool. I mean, my old one came in a holder, but it wasn't quite this big. So, ta-da! Ooh, it comes with instructions. It's more like statistics or something. Oh no, there's instructions on there. Yep. Wow, this camera is terrible. So, it comes with this thing which has a USB cable on one end and the probes on the other end, and it's supposed to hook up over USB. That's for charging it because it has a lithium battery, which, oh yeah, nope, this is the charger. It comes with a wall charger, which says, oh man, this is really small print. I don't know how many amps it is. It's like impossible to read. It's probably lying anyway, so it's like the most basic USB charger you can find. But yeah, that thing's supposed to charge it. Here we have, oh, this is for either hooking up or making your own probes, I'm guessing, because it's not hooked up to anything. Oh, it's, yeah, they're clamps. They're crimped though. This looks like it should be attached to something because they've already crimped it. Unless you're supposed to just put the crimp, like put something in the end there. That's weird. I guess I'll figure that out in a bit. Oh, just a second thing. I noticed what these are for. You can see it in there. There's a little hole, and I think that's where this goes. So you can use the clips on your probes if you want to clip it to something. It has alligator clips. And is this like a grounding strip or a probe? It is both. Okay, so, oh, this is the temperature probe. So yeah, it comes with a temperature probe. That's kind of cool. I don't know if I'll keep using all these tiny little bags. It might get annoying. And, oh yeah, here's the main event. And it's stapled. You get a regular set of probes. Oh, stab the probe through the bag. You get sharp probes. They're stabby probes. So yeah, your regular red and black cable that you use to touch things, test continuity, resistance, whatever. And here's the device itself. It must have the battery in it already. It did show it on the site as a separate thing, but maybe it comes in it. I have a knife here, but there we go. I'll just rip it open. That's fine. It's fine. It comes with plastic over the screen as usual. Gotta rip that off. It's the first thing you gotta do. So, beep. So I'm guessing it has no backlight, or is it select rel hertz? Okay. So this is testing voltage. So I'll show you the display up close here. Maybe if I tilt it backwards. Such a soft focus. So yeah, there's like right here I think is voltage testing, but it looks like it's for both AC and DC, but it's in DC mode. What if I press select? AC mode. Okay, cool. So let's see here. See how accurate this is. Although I don't have anything to really compare it against, but I have a fresh brand new Energizer, which will be 1.5 volts. Oh yeah, I don't know which one to plug this into. T minus T plus UA at 10 amp. Okay, I don't even know where to put the probes in. So that's a thing, because this thing has 4 spots to put probes in. So it appears I picked the right spot, but this battery is serving up 1.62 volts hot and fresh. And there at the top there is the solar panel that's charging the battery that runs this thing. Which feasibly you should not need to charge very much, because I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you use your multimeter, but I typically turn it off the second I don't need it. How about continuity? Huh, I must be doing it wrong. Do I need to use a different over limit? Okay, it's not beeping. Unless I have to turn sound on. Oh. Yeah, you have to turn sound on. There's a little... Yeah, see that little icon? Select. Turns it to a different mode. Auto. Auto, OL. OL, auto. Oh, I had the sound on there. There we go, you see the sound icon. So that means it'll accept sound. Let's try the temperature probe. That's kind of neat. I didn't even notice that. I did not even notice that that was a feature, so that's pretty cool. So it seems to be already registering the temperature in my office, which is probably right. It feels kind of hot and muggy. And if I touch it, it should go up to 37-ish. So it seems to work roughly. I guess my skin is not 37. It's probably a little bit cooler. Another nice feature you might make note of is that it has clips on the back, although these probes are huge and the clips are tiny, so I don't know if it's actually going to fit in there. It doesn't really fit. I think that's what it's supposed to be for, and the probes that were in the ad were not the same size. Something else I wanted to point out is that it also has this little flap here that works as a stand. Makes it much nicer to work with on a desk. You don't have to prop it up against something. Well, that's it. It has a few functions. It's a multimeter and it works, so I'm happy.